In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate and use a bundle coupon on Temu. If you've received access to a promotional bundle, the first thing you need to do is activate it properly. You can usually do this either through your Temu promotional link or directly from your dashboard, depending on how the offer was provided to you. This activation step is important because if the bundle is not enabled first, the discount may not appear later when you try to check out. So before you start shopping, make sure that part is completed. Once the bundle has been activated, take a moment to review the coupon details. Head to the coupons and offers section and look carefully at the terms attached to the specific bundle. This is where you'll find the order minimums and any other requirements tied to the discount. Paying attention here can save you time because many coupon bundles only work when your cart reaches a certain amount or includes eligible products. If you skip this part, you might end up adding items that do not qualify or falling short of the minimum needed to use the coupon. After that, start adding eligible items to your cart. As you shop, keep the required threshold in mind and make sure your selections match the terms of the bundle offer. It's a good idea to double check your cart before moving on, especially if the discount depends on a minimum order value. If needed, adjust the quantity or swap items so your cart fully qualifies before you continue. When your cart is ready, proceed to the checkout page. This is the stage where everything comes together, so review your order carefully. Confirm that the items in your cart are the ones you want, and make sure the total still meets the coupon requirements. Small changes at checkout can sometimes affect eligibility, so it's worth taking a few extra seconds to verify everything. Before completing payment, look through your available coupons and select the bundle coupon that matches your order. This final step is essential because the discount typically will not apply automatically unless you choose the correct coupon from the list. Once you've selected the matching bundle coupon and confirmed that the discount appears correctly, you can move forward and complete your purchase. That's all you need to do. Activate the bundle, check the coupon terms, add eligible items, go to checkout, and select the correct coupon before paying. If you follow those steps carefully, using your Temu bundle coupon should be simple and smooth.